This is a P. Kaufmann instructional video on the proper way to install a bed box cover. The first thing that you'll want to do is, typically speaking, you'll find that most of our bed box covers just have decking fabric on the head end of it. So you'll find the head end of it. You always want to start at one of the top corners. And the first corner that you want to make sure that you get it all the way underneath the bed box. Not more than about 2 inches or so, but you want to make sure it's underneath the bed box and your corner comes up on the corner. Then you'll go to the opposite corner to put the other one on. You'll do the same thing. It goes approximately 2 inches underneath the bed box. You'll come up to this other top corner, and you want to make sure that you leave one of the bottom 2 corners as the last one that you put on. So you'll put this again, making sure that it's underneath the bed box. And then you'll come back to the last corner. This one should be a little bit tight and a little bit hard to get on. Pull it down, around, and then place it on the bottom. Now, some of the little troubleshooting things that you'll have when you're putting them on. This one actually fits extremely well. Some of the times you'll get them where they look a little bit like that, where they're a little baggy. That doesn't mean it doesn't fit. It just means you have to take it and work the fabric down to each end to make sure it gets smoothed out. And then you can see when I do that, I may have created something right here, and you simply continue to move it down until it's smooth. The thing you want to make sure of is this outer seam is close to the edge of the bed box on both sides and on the end. If it's not, then you'll need to let your P. Kaufmann representative know, because it may be that the measurements were incorrect or something was made incorrectly. But that and also, this was an existing bed box cover. This is typically how they will come. They're packaged slightly different than this, but this is how they'll be folded up. So you will have some creases that are in the bed box cover. You can either iron them, or eventually gravity will pull those out. But please be aware that there will be some creases that are in them, but there should not be an exorbitant amount of wrinkles that are in them.